Take a ride in the 2019 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, wheel covers, remote trunk release, speed control, steel wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.